In order to make this project, you need for Arduino Uno, LED, force sensor, and two resistors, 1 kilo ohm, and wires. We connect first the force sensor to the analog pin A0, A1, and the positive terminal to the pole. Also, the LED, I connect the first the cathode to the ground, and the analog pin, the anode pin to the pin digital pin 4. Okay. After connecting the circuit diagram, let's start encoding. First, you put in force equal then. In void setup, you define the inputs and the out. In mode A1 is input. Then in mode 4 as output. Then in the void loop, you put force equal read A1 also and you put analog right. You put analog right for force, then you put delay and let's start simulation. See that. It's okay. Hmm, no errors. No any error. Now let's start this testing. So after increasing the force, the LED gets 10. And if one we decrease force, the LED turns. Thank you.